Community Warehouse, the local furniture bank that typically distributes everything from couches and mattresses to dishes and linens to those in need, is finding new ways to help during the COVID-19 pandemic. Brand new, clean and sanitized home-to-go kits are allowing the organization to pivot for safety to help those in need with your help. So, Danechka, is the need even bigger for people right now without the basics at home?
Absolutely. Imagine staying at home right now without a bed. Everyone needs a safe place to sleep and a safe place to eat, especially now when we are ordered to stay home.
These dressers in the home-to-go kits are all new, so what's in the drawers?
The top drawer has pots and pans and utensils. The second drawer is dishes and silverware. The third drawer is linens and towels. And the fourth drawer is an air mattress with a pump. These families would otherwise be sleeping on the floor and without a way to cook at home. Each item is brand new, clean, sanitized, and placed within the dresser, which is also sanitized, and then shrink wrapped before leaving the warehouse.
How can we help get these dressers with supplies out to those families in need?
You can sponsor a kit or purchase items from our Amazon wish list. Visit communitywarehouse.org to learn more, and let's help some families in need right now.